In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Windows 11 louder. If you've ever felt like your laptop or PC just isn't loud enough, even when the volume is at 100%, this walkthrough is for you. We're going to stay within the built-in Windows settings, so you don't need any extra software. And I'll explain what each option actually does, so you can pick what works best for you. First, let's make sure your basic volume controls are truly maxed out. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen and click the speaker icon on the taskbar. A small slider will appear. Drag that all the way to the right to set it to 100. This is your system volume, and it affects all sounds on your computer. If you're testing with a browser, media player, or game, also check the volume control inside that app. Many apps have their own separate slider that can be turned down even when Windows is turned up. Next, we'll open the main sound settings to get more control. Right-click that same speaker icon on the taskbar and select Sound Settings. This opens the Windows Settings window directly to the sound section. Here, under Output, make sure the correct device is selected, such as your speakers, headphones, or monitor speakers. If the wrong device is chosen, you might hear very low or muffled audio. Now scroll down a little and look for Volume Mixer. Click that. The volume mixer shows individual volume levels for different apps. You might see your browser, your media player, and system sounds listed separately. Make sure none of these are turned down. Drag each slider you care about up to 100 so everything you're using can play at full volume. For an extra boost, we'll adjust the advanced properties of your output device. Go back to the main sound settings page, and under Output, click on your current device. Then look for options like Enhance Audio or Device Properties. If you see an option called Loudness Equalization or something similar, turn it on. This feature tries to balance quiet and loud parts of audio so that everything sounds more consistently loud. It won't turn your speakers into a powerful sound system, but it can make a noticeable difference, especially for dialogue and softer content. Finally, remember that small built-in speakers have physical limits. If you still need more volume after these tweaks, consider using external speakers or headphones for a bigger improvement. Follow these steps, test with a song or video you know well, and you should hear a clear increase in volume on Windows 11.